Good morning, students. Today we will be dealing with the topic decimals. Don't think that we have entered the next chapter. We are still continuing the chapter 2, fractions and decimals. Decimals is the second important topic in this chapter. So let us start the chapter. Review on decimals. Students, today we are not going to study anything new. We are just refreshing the ideas which you learnt in Standard 6. Now, here you can see decimal place value chart. That is how to point out the decimal place value of the digits. You can see the decimal point here. So, to the left side of the decimal point, you can see ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That is, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands lie on the left hand side of the decimal point. Now let's see what is happening on the right side of the decimal point. Here you can see the first position start with tenth, tenths, hundreds, thousands, etc. Okay, so on the right side of the decimal point, tenth, hundredth, thousands. Let's see how we are obtaining these place values. The first place after the decimal is got by dividing the number by 10. It is called the 10th place. The second place after the decimal is got by dividing the number by 100. That is why it is called the 100th place, because it is dividing. So we are calling it as 100th. THS is there. Don't miss out. The third place after the decimal is got by dividing the number by 1000. That is why it is called the 1000th place. Now we'll see how to write the place value of the digits in 45.123. Students, see how did I read this? 45.123. The first one is shown to you. The place value of 3 in the decimal 45.123 is 3 by 1000. 3 by 1000. Here you can see this is ones, this is tens, this is tenth, this is hundredth, and this is thousandth. So the place value of 3 here is 3 by 1000. Now the place value of 2 in the decimal 45.123 is, we'll see, this is on the left side this is ones, tens. On the right side it is tenth, hundredth and thousand. So what is here? It is 2 by 100. Now the place value of 1 in the decimal 45.123. Students, I'll wait for 1 second. Can you tell me what is the answer? Hope you said the answer. The answer is 1 by 10. The place value of 5 in the decimal 45.123. Students, where is 5 lying? 5 is lying on the left side of the decimal point. 5 is lying on the left side of the decimal point. So, as usual, you will count it as ones. That is 5 itself. The place value of 4 in the decimal 45.123. How we are reading this? 45. So the place value is 40. Hope The place value of each digit in a decimal number is clear to you. The next one, expanded form of decimal fractions. What is that? Expanded form of decimal fractions. How will you write expanded form of decimal fractions? With each digit, you will write the place value. That is how you write expanded form. With each digit, you will write the place value. Now, write in expanded form. Read the number first. 3479.105. Once again, 3479.105. How is the expanded form? You can write the expanded form in two different ways. One in words and the other in the number format. Now, 3 thousands plus 4 hundreds plus 7 tens plus 9 ones plus 1 tenth. Students, take care of the spelling here. It is 1 tenth. That is, 1 is after the decimal point. 0 hundredth plus 5 thousands. Don't make mistakes in writing the spelling. How will you write in the number form? 3000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 9 plus 1 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. This is the expanded form. We will look one more example. Read it first. 143.011. Once again, 143.011. We'll write the first one. 1 hundreds plus 4 tens plus 3 ones plus 0 tenth plus 1 hundredths plus 1000s. Students, you just write how we will write the expanded form in numbers. It is 100 plus 40 plus 3 plus 0 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 1 by 1000. Okay, is that clear to you? Standard form of decimals. That is the reverse form of expanded form. The expanded form will be given to you and you should write it in the standard form. Now, 8 thousands, that is 8 is in the thousands place, 8 ones. So, which are the two place values missing here? Hundreds is missing, tens is missing. So, in that place you will write zeros. Okay, when you get a question, check whether any of the place values are missing. Here you can see 8 thousands plus 8 ones. Here two place values are missing. Which are the place values? You cannot see 100 and tens. So these two place values are missing. Plus 3 tenth plus 900th. So 8008.39. Okay. The next one, 4000 plus 7. After 4000, you are getting only the ones place. So here also, which numbers are missing? The hundreds digit and the tens digit is missing. Plus 5 by 10 plus 6 by 100. So the first digit is 4. Hundreds place is 0. Tens place is 0. And ones place is 7.56. So your final answer is 4007.56. Now listen here. Third one, 3 tens plus 7 ones plus 600th plus 8 thousands. So tens, ones, continuous numbers are there. Now what happened after ones? Students, can you remember which is the place value that comes after ones? It is tenth. Tenth, after decimal point, the first place value is tenth. That is missing here. So, in the place of tenth, you will put 0. So, 37.068. We'll continue in the next video.